Alright, hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Sosin from Creative Build. Sometime last year I actually got to start this channel, but I couldn't keep up due to one reason or the other. But that being said, I'm back this time around and I'm going nowhere. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for sticking around. So with that being said, this time around we're actually going to do things differently from we used to last year. So there's a new year, so new year, new us, rather. Yeah, so we're going to do things differently this time around from we used to last year, like I said. But today's topic, we're actually going to talk about something unique in a way that it's actually going to help you in the long run, and I'll actually recommend it to you to actually stick to the end of the video and watch all through so that you don't miss out on anything. And I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. I'm begging, please subscribe, like, so that the YouTube algorithm knows this video is useful and pushes it out to other creatives. So thank you. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Guys, so today we're actually going to be talking about plugins. So what are plugins? Plugins are just extensions of programs that give functionality to a software. What does that simply mean? It means making you work faster, smarter, without you having to go through the whole process of doing some things all the way from scratch anymore. So for plugins, if you don't know how plugin works, so I'm just going to go to my home screen, come to community. So community now gives me options of different things I can choose from. So I'm just going to click on plugins in general. So it loads us plugins and it gives me names of plugins in general. So if you see some, I've installed some, and those are some plugins I use for my work process. So all you just have to do to get a particular plugin is just click on the install button. So for this, if I need material design icons, I just click on install and it's installed already. It's as easy as that. I don't actually have to close Figma or restart Figma again, or shut down my system or reboot my system for it to get activated. That's all I have to do, and I have the plugin already. The first plugin I'm actually going to be sharing with you that will help you a lot in getting high resolution pictures for your design in general is Unsplash. So Unsplash has top-notch images in general that you can use in your design that will speak volume whenever you're presenting your design in general, or if you're going to use it in a real life project. So I'm just going to zoom into this. So for this image, I like it, but I want to change this to something different. So I'm just going to come all the way to Unsplash and click on that. So Unsplash runs and it gives me different options of what I can do. I can either search for whatever I'm looking for, and you can see some presets that has been given down already ahead of time. So now I just need to change this. So let's try abstract, since we're sticking on the abstracts for the designs. Let me just try animal. Okay, so you see that total. Wow, I actually like this. So that's what Unsplash does. Basically, it gives you high resolution images that works with your design and whatever you're looking for or whatever you're designing for in general. It gives you possible images that will fit into your design, and that will be that. So So the next plugin which we'll be looking at today will be Content Reel. So Content Reel is a platform that generates words that feed into your design in general. So I'm just going to select this text. I'm just going to run the plugin Content Reel. So now the beautiful thing about Content Reel also is that Content Reel gives you variety of options. Text from here, you can get images, you can get icons, you can get so many things from here. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just getting text for this. So it generates different type of text formats. I can get numbers, emails, full name, first name, last name, lorem ipsum, countries, and things like that. So for this, I'll just search for animal, and it should populate and give me names of animals. So I select that and it opens up different names of animals. So I can just select tortoise, T. Let me show. Okay, RST. Okay, T. Tortoise. Yeah, tortoise. So it fills in the blank and gives you easy access to pre-written text already to help you work fast. Content Reel, because sometimes I don't want to run one or two plugins at the same time, run this plugin and go to the next plugin. So Content Reel actually helps me a lot. So I just get images from here, get text from here, get icons sometimes, but not all the time. So that will be the next plugin, which will be Content Reel. So I actually recommend you get this and give meaning to your work and give it this depth feeling of what you're talking about. So if you're presenting this work to probably a client or something, so I actually recommend this plugin to you. Get it, use it, and it will change the way you work in general. So the next plugin we'll be looking at right here is Iconify. So if you're not used to designing icons, custom icons for yourself, not to worry. There's a plugin that gives you already designed icons that you can use in your project. So Iconify looks like this. So you can get material design icons, material design lights, Google material icons, and you get the idea. So for example, if I'm looking for a home icon, I just type home and it gives me various options of icons for me to choose from. So you get to go through them and see whatever icon you're looking for and you choose from them. So you get more options. So you keep searching till you find whatever you're looking for. Likewise, if I'm looking for settings, so I get different types of settings icon, and likewise Bluetooth, and it gives me different varieties of icons where I can choose from. Alright, so let me just get the home icon and I drag it down here and I get my home icon already. Or if I need my settings icon, oh sorry, I spelled that wrongly. So I need my settings icon, I get this and I drop it into my design. Or if I need Bluetooth icon, and I just drag and I drop it into my design. So that brings us to our fourth plugin, which would be Drumroll. Remove a person from a background. You will have had to take image to Photoshop, then trace it out to remove the background and all that. So all that process is quite lengthy and all. A plugin was created called Remove BG. So Remove BG right now is just doing all that process in few seconds, and that is quite amazing and quite mind-blowing, and we can achieve a lot in the shortest time possible. So to remove the background of this tortoise, for example, all I just have to do is click on this and I run the plugin Remove VG. But if you installed it for the first time, you actually have to input an API key. So what you have to do is open your browser, search for Remove VG, and you sign up an account. Go to the API, you get a unique key which you will copy, then open the set API, input it into the form field, and you save it, and that's all. So you come back here and you run the program. So all it does is remove background, and that's it. I don't know why it's having that feel. Okay, so that's all. So I have my tortoise image, rather, as simple as that. So I didn't actually have to go all the way to Photoshop again and start tracing out the image. So the plugin just does everything as quick as that in just 1 second, and isn't that wonderful? So now, for example, if I need to place this image into this background, I'll scale it down and I bring it to the front, and I've given it a new background. The former background was blue, now I give it another background of this, and I can always take it out and adjust it. So I can even duplicate this and have 2, 3, 4. Remove VG is a plugin that I'll highly recommend to you to get, because of it will save you a lot, especially if you're doing graphics. Or plugin is called Flatten Selection for Bitmap, so I just call it Bitmap rather, but if you're looking for the plugin, you look for Flatten Selection for Bitmap. So now what I'm going to do is run the plugin. I come to my plugin again, Flatten Selection, and I run Flatten Selection to Bitmap, and it does that. So now if you notice, it is an image this time around, it's no more a frame. So let me try and duplicate this one more time, so we see the difference. So now this is a frame, this is an image. One is a frame, one is an image, but you can't actually differentiate both of them because of they look alike. But the thing now is, for this, if I try and scale it up to a point, it gets responsive and it adjusts to the width in which I draw it to, and the design gets responsive to that point and follows it likewise. But for my image, if I try and scale it up to whatever size I want, it doesn't change, it doesn't get responsive, it just remains that same format in which I want. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to leave comments down in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you're a returning subscriber, please like this video so YouTube knows this video has been useful to you and it recommends it to other creators. So till next time, bye for now.